Let's run our first program in Python. So here in our desktop screen we will shall come to the PyScripter, which is a Python interpreter which runs our Python program. And now first of all we'll create a new file, delete all the content, and at first we shall save the file as our first program.py. .py is essential to write at the end, which indicates that it is a Python program file. So now as we have saved our file, now we can run our programs. First of all we shall write, basically, well, here we are writing our first Python program. So I shall comment it out at the above so that all the audience can see it and make it more convenient for our viewers. So basically in Python there is a function that prints anything on the Python interpreter just behind the layout screen. So Python in the Python interpreter we shall write the hello world in it in between the parentheses and using the inverted commas, so you guys can see that hello world is printed. And that's how we can write anything inside the inverted commas, which shall be printed at the Python interpreter. We shall write it and click on the run button, and you guys can see that it is printed on the screen now. So basically guys, you can print anything in the Python. It is a very convenient language for the beginners to learn, and it is also becoming very famous with the passage of time, and it has a large scope in the future. So here print I have printed the that please subscribe my channel. This is my first video. I'm not good at it. So this is how we write our program. We write anything, print any screen on the anything in this on the screen, and this is how you can write anything. This is your first program, and the students should see my video who are beginners and who want to write their first program in Python. Okay guys, okay.